Technology is getting smaller, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. In today's world, tiny devices are no longer limited to simple tasks. They can think, interact, learn, and even replace tools we once relied on every day. From AI companions and smart wearables to pocket-sized robots and intelligent gadgets, innovation is shrinking into surprisingly compact forms. In this video, we explore 15 tiny devices that prove size doesn't limit capability. Each one brings something unique, whether it's automation, communication, assistance, or entertainment. These small inventions are reshaping how we live, work, and connect with technology in ways that feel almost futuristic, yet already real today. LOOI Robot. Imagine placing your phone on a tiny machine and watching it instantly turn into a living desktop companion. That's the futuristic idea behind the LOOI Robot, a compact gadget that gives smartphones personality through animated expressions, smart reactions, and playful movement. Using your phone as its face, it can recognize gestures, respond to voice commands, and interact in surprisingly natural ways. Built-in motors let it move smoothly across your desk, making it feel more alive than a normal smart device. It also doubles as a wireless charging dock, combining entertainment with everyday convenience. From reminders and weather updates to fun conversations, this little robot transforms an ordinary phone into something far more exciting. LOOI shows how future technology is becoming smaller, smarter, and more personal, turning simple gadgets into interactive companions that make any workspace feel straight out of tomorrow's world today. Humane AI Pin. A future without constantly staring at a phone screen may be closer than expected. The Humane AI Pin introduces a completely different kind of smart device, worn directly on clothing and controlled through voice, touch, and projection. Instead of apps and endless scrolling, it responds naturally to commands, helping with messages, translations, questions, and quick tasks. A built-in laser projector displays information onto your palm, creating a unique hands-free experience unlike traditional gadgets. With cameras, microphones, speakers, and independent connectivity, it functions on its own without needing a smartphone. Its compact and lightweight body is designed to stay with you throughout the day while blending into your routine. Humane AI Pin is more than a gadget. It's a bold vision of invisible technology powered by AI. This tiny device shows how the future may become smarter, simpler, and less dependent on screens everywhere. Imagine carrying a tiny robot friend in your pocket that reacts, talks, and feels surprisingly alive. The AIBI Pocket Pet brings that futuristic idea into reality with a miniature AI companion small enough to travel anywhere. Despite its size, it recognizes faces, responds to touch, and interacts with expressive animations that give it real personality. Powered by advanced AI conversation systems, it can answer questions, chat naturally, and assist with simple daily tasks. Built-in movement systems let it gesture and respond in playful ways, making every interaction feel more personal. Beyond entertainment, it can also handle reminders, alarms, and useful updates throughout the day. This tiny companion proves that smart technology no longer needs to be large or complicated to feel meaningful. AIBI Pocket Pet shows how the future of AI is becoming more emotional, portable, and connected, turning pocket-sized gadgets into companions people can enjoy anywhere every single day. Colucat AI Companion. Not every smart device is built for work. Some are made simply to comfort and connect. The Colucat AI Companion is a soft, lifelike robotic pet designed to feel more like a friend than a gadget. Instead of relying on the internet, it uses onboard AI to respond instantly while keeping interactions private. It can sense touch, recognize expressions, and react with movement, sounds, and affectionate behaviors that feel surprisingly natural. Unlike devices with fixed responses, Colucat changes over time, developing new habits based on how you care for and interact with it. Petting, playing, and spending time together helps create a stronger bond, making every experience feel unique. Its gentle design adds warmth that most technology lacks. Colucat represents a new direction where AI focuses on emotions instead of productivity, showing how future devices may become companions that bring comfort, personality, and connection into everyday life for many users. Zensbuds AI. Imagine wearing earbuds that let you understand another language instantly. That futuristic idea becomes real with Zensbuds AI, a compact device designed to transform communication anywhere you go. More than ordinary earbuds, they provide real-time translation during face-to-face conversations and even live phone calls, helping people connect without language barriers. They can also transcribe spoken words into text and create smart summaries from meetings, turning simple audio gear into a powerful productivity tool. Advanced noise cancellation and clear sound make conversations easier to hear, while Bluetooth connectivity keeps everything seamless and portable. With support for multiple languages through a companion app, these tiny earbuds are built for travel, business, and everyday life. Zensbuds AI shows how wearable technology is becoming smarter and more useful than ever before. Instead of just playing music, future earbuds may listen, understand, translate, and help people communicate effortlessly around the world every day. LumioClaw. Learning may soon happen without staring at another screen. The LumioClaw is a compact AI desk companion designed to help students study in a smarter and more natural way. Instead of using apps or displays, it watches books, homework, and handwritten notes through built-in cameras to understand what you are working on in real time. It then projects step-by-step guidance directly onto your desk, turning ordinary study sessions into interactive lessons. Voice controls let users ask questions naturally while staying focused on the task. Even more impressive, it adapts its teaching style by tracking progress and responding to how the learner is doing. This makes the experience feel closer to having a personal tutor beside you. LumioClaw represents a future where AI helps people truly understand subjects instead of just giving answers, bringing smarter education into everyday spaces without distraction or extra screen time daily. EBO Max FamilyBot. What if your home assistant could actually move around and understand what is happening in every room? The EBO Max FamilyBot brings that idea to life as a compact AI robot built for modern homes. Unlike fixed cameras or speakers, it roams freely, mapping spaces and navigating through rooms with smart precision. It can recognize family members by face and voice, learn routines over time, and respond in a more personal way. Equipped with a high-resolution camera and two-way communication, it lets users check in from anywhere and interact instantly. It can also patrol the house, monitor pets, detect unusual activity, and send helpful alerts when needed. This tiny robot combines security, convenience, and companionship in one mobile device. EBO Max shows how future smart homes may rely on assistants that do more than listen. They move, learn, watch, and actively help every single day around you. Gogobot D1. A robot pet that talks, plays, and reacts like it has a real personality sounds like science fiction, but the Gogobot D1 makes it real. This tiny robotic dog is designed as an AI companion that brings energy and interaction into everyday life. It can respond to voice commands, hold conversations in multiple languages, and remember past moments to build a more personal connection over time. With a four-legged robotic system, it can walk, spin, jump, and perform playful movements that make it feel surprisingly alive. Touch sensors allow users to interact with it like a real pet, while expressive reactions create emotional charm. It also includes games, learning tools, and creative features, making it useful beyond simple entertainment. Gogobot D1 shows how future technology may become more social and engaging, turning compact robots into companions that learn, react, and grow alongside their owners every single day. PettiChat AI Pet Translator. A new kind of wearable is trying to bridge the gap between humans and animals in a way we've never seen before. The PettiChat AI Pet Translator is a compact device designed to attach to your pet's collar and interpret their sounds and behavior in real time. Instead of guessing what a bark or meow means, it uses AI to convert those signals into simple, understandable insights within seconds. Trained on massive datasets of animal vocal patterns, it continuously improves by learning your pet's unique habits and emotional cues. Even more interesting, it can respond back using pet-friendly audio patterns, creating a two-way communication loop. A connected app stores interaction history and tracks behavioral changes over time, helping owners understand their pets more deeply. Lightweight and built for daily use, PettiChat represents a future where technology doesn't just serve humans, but also helps us understand and connect with animals in a smarter way. Airlet Nano. A new wave of ultra-small smart devices is changing how we interact with technology, and the Airlet Nano is a perfect example of this shift. Designed as a compact AI-powered environmental assistant, it focuses on delivering real-time awareness without the need for screens or constant interaction. Instead of acting like a traditional gadget, it quietly monitors surroundings and processes environmental data in the background. Using built-in AI systems, it translates complex information into simple, useful insights that help users stay aware of their surroundings at all times. Its ultra-compact form factor makes it easy to carry or place in different locations like homes, offices, or travel spaces. The main idea behind Airlet Nano is ambient intelligence, technology that works silently without interrupting daily life. Rather than replacing smartphones, it complements them by adding invisible layers of awareness. showing how the future of AI is becoming smaller, smarter, and more seamlessly integrated. Mobvoi TicNote Pods. Imagine earbuds that don't just play audio, but actually turn conversations into organized knowledge automatically. The Mobvoi TicNote Pods are designed as next-generation AI earbuds built for productivity and real-time information capture. Instead of relying on a phone, they work independently with built-in 4G connectivity, allowing users to record, process, and store conversations anywhere. Every word spoken during meetings, lectures, or calls can be instantly converted into text using advanced AI transcription. On top of that, the system can summarize discussions into clear notes and key action points, making information easier to manage. Translation features also help break language barriers during communication, while the lightweight design keeps them practical for daily use. The main idea behind TicNote Pods is simple but powerful, turning spoken moments into usable digital memory. This shows how earbuds are evolving from audio devices into intelligent tools that listen, understand, and organize information automatically. WUBEN E8. A flashlight is no longer just a simple tool for darkness. Devices like the WUBEN E8 are turning it into a compact piece of smart engineering. Designed as a modern EDC gadget, it combines powerful lighting with modular customization in a pocket-sized form. It delivers up to 1300 lumens of bright white light, along with UV lighting and side illumination modes for wider visibility in different situations. Whether it's outdoor use, emergency work, or daily tasks, it is built to adapt. One of its standout features is the magnetic modular system, allowing users to attach and customize different components for both style and function. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it stays lightweight, portable, and resistant to water and rough handling. With multiple lighting modes and flexible design, it goes beyond being a flashlight. The WUBEN E8 represents how everyday tools are evolving into smarter, more versatile devices for real-world use. Divoom DIPOW-35. A simple charger is no longer just about power. Devices like the Divoom DIPOW-35 are turning everyday tools into interactive desk gadgets. At its core, it is a compact 35-watt GaN fast charger, designed to efficiently power smartphones, tablets, and USB-C devices with stable and safe performance. It supports modern fast charging standards like PD and QC, making it suitable for both work and travel use. But what makes it different is its built-in pixel display that transforms it into a small visual companion on your desk. Through a dedicated app, users can customize animations, clocks, and creative pixel art that appear on the screen while the device charges. This adds a playful and personalized touch to a practical tool. Its compact design helps reduce clutter while maintaining portability and convenience. The Divoom DIPOW-35 shows how even charging devices are evolving into smart, expressive, and visually engaging parts of modern tech setups. NITECORE EMR16. Outdoor gadgets are becoming smarter and more practical, and the NITECORE EMR16 is a great example of that shift. Designed for camping, hiking, and travel, this compact device creates a mosquito-free protection zone in just minutes. Once activated, it forms an invisible area of coverage that helps keep insects away while you enjoy the outdoors. Powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers hours of continuous use on a single charge, making it reliable for extended trips. The system works by heating a repellent mat evenly, allowing it to release protection consistently without sprays, smoke, or coils. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or gear kit, while USB-C charging adds modern convenience. Built for real outdoor conditions, it focuses on simplicity and effectiveness. The NITECORE EMR16 shows how even basic tools are evolving into smarter, cleaner, and more efficient solutions for outdoor comfort. MeetLiLi. A new kind of desktop AI is focusing less on complexity and more on calm interaction, and MeetLiLi is a perfect example of that idea. This small companion robot is designed to sit quietly on your desk and simply be present while you work, study, or relax. Instead of screens or complicated controls, it communicates through voice, soft movements, and gentle emotional responses. It listens when spoken to, replies in simple natural dialogue, and maintains a soothing personality aimed at reducing stress during daily routines. Beyond companionship, it can also support productivity with basic features like reminders, focus timers, and posture awareness alerts. Its subtle expressions and behaviors create a sense of connection without being distracting or overwhelming. MeetLiLi represents a shift in AI design where technology is not about doing everything, but about offering a quiet, supportive presence that fits naturally into everyday human life and routines.